Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of techneed.com. Today we'll continue with our Learn Linux from Scratch series and we're going to be looking at basic file management tools in Linux. In our last classes, we've looked at what file management in Linux is. We've looked at the basic file management, some of the basic file management tools. We've looked at the more and less utilities and how to use it with examples. We've looked at the head and tail utilities and how to use them with examples as well. So in today's class, we're going to be looking at how to use the grep utility in Linux. The grep command is used to filter or match a search pattern. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's create a test file in /tmp directory. So I'm just going to create a file called test, and I'm going to add some content in the file. So I'm just going to copy it from the website and I'm going to paste it here. As usual, I'm going to be dropping the link to the website in the description section below. So if you want to see the website alongside with the video, it's fine. But I know the video is enough for you to understand what we're doing. So I'm just going to save this file. And you'll notice that in this file, let me open the file. You'll notice that Apple has appeared 3 times. The first Apple has appeared with a lowercase with its initial. The second one, the initial is uppercase, and the third one, the initial is lowercase. So to search for Apple in this file, you can use the grep command to do that. Don't forget, I said the grep command is used to filter or match a search pattern. So I'm just going to use the command grep apple /tmp/test. So what did you notice? You noticed that Apple appeared just twice, and with the one that is starting with the lowercase. As you know, Linux is case sensitive. I've said this several times in our previous classes. To ignore the cases, you would need to use the -i option when using the grep command. So you just use the -i option, saying you don't care if it is in uppercase or lowercase. I just want to see the letters Apple. So you can see that your result will be in uppercase and lowercase. So this is how you can use grep to search or match a pattern. Another example is if you want to search for files that contains IPv4 in the sys module directory. I know we've been using this directory a lot for examples. So I can use this command ls/sys/module. Then I'm going to pipe it, /module. Yeah, so I'm going to pipe it to grep IPv4. We've also talked about the pipe utility in one of our classes. You can refer to the class if you don't know what the pipe command is used for. So I'm saying, hey, list the content in /sys/module. but I want to see the content that contains IPv4 in them. So I use my enter key. You can see all the files in that directory that's got IPv4. You can also use the grep command to search for processes. For example, if I'm looking for the SSHD process, this command is used to search for processes. Then I'm going to use the pipe command. Then I'll use the grep command as well. Then I'm going to search for SSHD. So you can see the processes, or I mean the process, the SSHD process and their process IDs. But you might not really know about process if you've been following me in the Learn Linux from Scratch series. But don't worry, we're going to get to that module and then you would understand all of this command. But what you should know is that the grep utility is used to match, is used to filter or match a search pattern. And anytime you know that you're looking for a search pattern, you can use the pipe command and the grep command together. So this is how you use the grep utility in Linux. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now and see you in the next class.